If you want to use a browser on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, what you can do is, first of all, we might need to download a browser on our watch. I think that by default, there is no browser that we can actually use. So what you can do is you can simply open the Play Store. And then in here, we can, of course, search. And you can just type browser or a name of a browser that you want to get on your watch. So if you want to get the Chrome browser, you probably want to search for Chrome. Let's see if we can actually find the Chrome browser for the Galaxy Watch 9. And unfortunately, that is not the case. But as you can see here, we have the Samsung browser. So of course, we can download this Samsung browser and you can use that to be able to browse the internet on your watch. And it seems that this might be the only browser that is available. I'm gonna also type just browser in here to see if we can find some more examples. And there is also this mini web browser. We have motion browser, so there are a couple of options. So once you have the browser installed, then of course you can open it. And as you can see here, we immediately have some bookmarks, which are fairly useful, of course. So you can go to YouTube, you can go to Google. You can also just use the search button over here to search for something on Google. You can also switch to other search engines. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.